Silver has been money longer than any government has existed. From ancient shekels to modern bullion, silver has outlasted empires, nations, and economic systems. It doesn't require trust in institutions, only recognition of its inherent properties. This longevity is rare. Currencies collapse, companies fail, technologies become obsolete. Silver persists. When you hold silver, you hold continuity across 5,000 years of human history. The same silver atoms have circulated through civilization. The silver in a Roman denarius might have become a Spanish piece of 8, then a Mexican dollar, then an American silver certificate, then a solar panel contact, then a wedding bracelet in Mumbai. Atoms don't disappear. They're recycled, reformed, repurposed. The silver that built the Parthenon, that paid Roman legions, that sailed the Manila galleon, that silver is still here, somewhere, in some form. You're connected to every previous generation through these circulating atoms. Silver's tarnish makes it more human than gold. Gold remains eternally bright, unchanged by air or time. Silver reacts, tarnishes, requires care. This vulnerability creates relationship between owner and object. Polishing tarnished silver reveals bright metal beneath. The silver was always there, just temporarily obscured. Beauty and value persist even when hidden. They simply need patient care to emerge again. There's honesty in this. Silver doesn't pretend to be immortal. It wears its history openly. Silver adapted when currency ended. Children today grow up never seeing silver coins in circulation. The direct link between silver and daily commerce, unbroken for millennia, severed in a single generation in 1965. Yet, silver found new roles, from currency to catalyst, from treasure to technology, from photography to photovoltaics. Silver proves that value isn't fixed, but evolves with human needs. The metal that measured worth for 5,000 years now enables renewable energy and digital communication. Adaptation is survival. Silver remains one of the few physical stores of value. In an increasingly digital world, where wealth exists as numbers in databases, silver offers tangibility. You can hold it, feel its cool weight, see its gleam. This physicality provides psychological comfort that digital assets cannot match. A handful of silver coins represents both history and hedge, duty and backup. For those who value having something real, something outside the financial system, silver offers accessibility that gold's higher price sometimes doesn't. Silver's story is humanity's story. Every settled society that discovered silver found uses for it. This consistency across cultures, climates, and centuries suggests something fundamental. Perhaps silver speaks to human aesthetics, to our appreciation of brightness, purity, and permanence. Hunter-gatherers didn't need it, but every civilization that followed did. Silver has earned its place in collective consciousness, woven into languages, economies, technologies, dreams. As long as humans exist, they will likely value silver. The future of silver depends on supply and innovation. Mine supply grows slowly. Industrial demand, particularly for solar panels and electronics, grows faster. Investment demand fluctuates with economic uncertainty. Whether silver becomes scarcer or merely more volatile depends on substitution technologies, recycling efficiency, and new deposit discoveries. What remains certain, silver's unique combination of properties ensures continued relevance. No other element does what silver does as well as silver does it. Silver asks only for patience. Unlike stocks promising dividends or bonds promising interest, silver simply exists. It makes no guarantees, requires no trust in counterparties. It sits quietly, reflecting light, conducting electricity, being itself. For those who hold it, silver rewards patience with the quiet satisfaction of owning something real. 5,000 years of history suggest silver will outlast current trends, current technologies, perhaps even current economic systems. It has before. The moon metal watches over you. Ancient peoples saw silver as luna, cool, reflective, enduring. That association persists in every coin, every mirror, every solar panel, every circuit board. Silver has been with humanity through everything: the rise of cities, the spread of empires, the Industrial Revolution, the digital age. It will likely be here after we're gone, still gleaming, still conducting, still valuable. From moonlight captured in metal to sunlight captured in silicon, silver's story continues, patient, enduring, flowing through time like water, finding new channels.